Hello friends, welcome to my next tutorial HTML div and HTML spam. In this tutorial I will tell you the difference between div and spam and what is a div and what is a spam and what is the use of div and what is the use of spam. Okay friends, now let's start. Div. Div is a block level element. Block level element means it will start on a new line and take a full width of available HTML, and div element is often used to as container of other HTML element. Friends, now here is example block element in HTML. You can see address, article, DD for description, div, description list, description terms, footer, form, H1, heading, S6, heading, header, HR, horizontal, li, list of item, no script, ol, order list, p, paragraph, prescript, table, t footer, table footer, ul, order list, video. These all are the example of the block of element. In this sum of the tags I have already give you in example of in my previous tutorial. If you do not see, so see in my previous videos. Okay friends, I give you example of div, but first we have to understood about a spam. Then that will be a clear of difference between of both of span and div. Span is a inline element, means it does not start with the new line and it takes up as a much width of necessary. Spam is used for a group line element in document. Group line element means it will be a list all the element or text in a same line, not a new line. Okay friends, now here is an example of inline element. HTML: A, anchor, B, break, bold, big, br, button, em, I, image, img, input, label, script, select. These are all the example of the inline element. Okay friends, now let's go for take an example that will help you to understand for div and spam. I'm starting a div. Hello friends, div close, span, Manu, srivastav, close a span and save. Now go to a browser, this one. You can see here when I am writing text in between the div, then it will be print in a new line. When I writing a text in uh, spam, it will be printing on the same line. Suppose if I cut and paste, okay. Let's go for example. Suppose I have divided into the two divs. div, div close. Okay friends, now I am dividing into two divs, two spam, spam close, spam start. Save the page and go to browser. Now you can see here I am writing two divs in same line, hello and word. It is printing on new line. Friends, when I am writing in spam into the same line, it is not printing a text into a new line, because div is a block of element. It will be printed into the new line of text, and the spam is a inline element, so it will be print in a same line of text. Okay friends, got it? Now let's go for next, div attribute. Friends, HTML provide us some div properties or attribute, so we can use this attribute. Align means alignment, to specifying a alignment for of a content inside of the div. Alignment, it will be used for align of content inside of div. If you want to align a content from the left, you can put the value of align equal to left. If you want to um, show the content in right side, so you can put align values right. Now let's go for take an example that will very understood for you, understand for you. Style, sorry, align equal to left. Left, it is already left. Right, save it and go to browser. Now you can see here it will be print on right side. Okay friends, same you can use a center. If I putting a align value as a center, so it will be show a text in center, page of the center. Okay friends, now next attribute is the style. Height, width, color, text alignment. Style equal to HIGST 100%. Save, go to browser and load a page. Think it is a height, color, yellow. Save a page. You can see here. Got it friend? Now id is a id and class. I will be discuss with you in css tutorial. So now you can only understand that id is an id and class we can use for specifying any uh, element in html. Actually this is a name that can be provided by the html, or by this name value, id value. By this id value we can get any html element. Okay friends, now go for spam attribute. Spam attribute is a call group. Last tutorial I have already give you example in table. If you see my previous tutorial, so you can understand what I am saying. Let's go for last tutorial. Table. Here it is. I have previous tutorial I have giving example table, call group, call. When I using this call columns group, span to matlab means we can assign the color to the two tables. Okay friends, now go to the run this file. You can see I am specifying two. It will be a putting this color into the two columns. Okay friends, got it? So thanks for, for in this tutorial. For enough this tutorial friends, I will see you to next tutorial. If you like my video, so please like, subscribe and comment. Please don't forget click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.